Try another recipe?
Ooh. I absolutely do, mate. Come on, let's get on with it. Let's go. This is so cool. I love this.
Lukumades, such a classic.
Right.
We sometimes call them honey tokens. They were given out as prizes at the Olympics.
Come on in. This game makes me want to cook, and I'm so lazy these days. I don't really cook. So local
In
maddies.
the mortarium, use the
in the
pestle
mortar.
to grind Z grains
Pestle to
into flour.
grind.
It should be half full of flour
Okay.
after grinding.
Yeah, that seems about right. And okay, fine.
Grinding flour from scratch takes a lot
Oh,
of
yeah.
elbow grease, doesn't it?
No. A lot of boogies. Did he say boogies? Dare you put boogies in the flour? They stay up your nose. Weirdo.
Add a
Come on
spoon of
now.
salt, some
Spoonful
water,
of salt.
and a splash of sourdough starter to form the dough. A little bit of salt
There we
can
go.
make
Oh,
a sweet dish
baby.
taste even
And a
sweeter.
splash. A splash of sourdough starter. Splash. And oh, some water. Come on, mate. Oh yeah, there we go. Cool.
Smooth
Oh,
until it's a round
smooth.
ball. Then that
Yeah.
looks
Oh
perfect.
yeah.
Come over here where I am.
Okay. Where are you at? Okay, you're just over here, mate. Fine, let's go. Ready? Come on. What's the deal? Oh shit. Smooth out. I do. What's this?
Fresh
Oh,
charcoal we like
Fresh
when added
charcoal.
to your old grill fire.
okay. Well, in that case, let's pop that into here. Yeah. Come on now. Hey, we got this. So there we go.
Heat up oil in the frying
Heat
pan
up
until
oil.
it boils.
Yeah, I'm assuming that's the oil. Oh yeah. Okay. Wow. Fuck it.
While bring the large dough ball over to the pan. Scoop out at least 6 dough balls, dropping each one
On.
into the... Look at that. It's doubled in size.
A large dough ball. Scoop out so I can hear scoop. Oh, damn it, man. Scoopy. Left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
While you're waiting for
6,
those to fry, take a
7,
look out the
8,
window.
9,
That's perfect.
10,
We just
11,
finished it.
12.
Those look a little pale. They
Great.
feel undercooked to me, don't you think?
We get there. Don't you assess me too soon, mate.
I'll
Oh
let
shit.
the dough balls
Oh
fry.
no.
When they are a bit golden brown, move each dough ball to the plate.
Okay. Come on then, mate. Just frying dough balls. That's cool. Right, we need to spin these a little. Come on, you guys. Oh. Oh, that's a fly in the window then. Oh, I love that so much. Come on. Oh, yeah, look.
Oh, look at
Look.
that. They're turning a
Dude,
perfect
yes.
golden brown.
Laura.
Let
Oh,
them
I
cool a
think-
bit.
I
Let
think
them
we're
cool
okay.
a bit before adding the honey sauce so they'll be crispy.
Okay. 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 I know. Oh, it's a balancing act, I tell you guys. It's a balancing act. Come on. We can do this. I want to do a Greek week at Lidl's. I love Lidl's Greek week. I really do. I guess I can split that. I don't cause like a house fire. So I'm just gonna pop that there. So you sent honey now. You said let them cool a bit.
In earthen
So,
bowl, combine
in
half
earthen
water
bowl?
and half honey.
Come on then, dude. Half water. Oh no.
Don't worry about spills.
Thank you. I wasn't worrying about Oh yeah, I think that's roughly half. Sure. And
Move
then
the pan aside
move
and
the pan
bring
aside.
the bowl of honey mixture to a boil.
Right, oh shit. Oh no. Okay, do it. I'm doing this with my hat, so you nuts. Don't they have oven gloves back then? You know? You'd have thought they'd have oven gloves. Oh shit, don't burn your hand. Bring the bowl of honey, right, I need to steer this, don't I?
Use the spoon to dip
There we
each golden brown ball in the still hot honey mixture. When they are shiny, return them to the plate.
Yeah. Wait, when they're shiny, dip it. Dip it, you mother. Is that shiny? Hi guys, so you'll probably spot at this point I was doing this completely wrong. I was dipping my balls into hot wine. I don't advise doing that. That's not going to make them shiny. Oh,
Oh,
shit.
If you want your balls to be shiny, you need to dip them into hot honey. Plus on top of that, I'm not sure how good it would taste, you know, if you dipped your balls in wine. That'd probably make the dough quite soggy.
Five minutes later.
Wonderful. Okay, let's just tighten them up a bit, huh? Great. Okay, now
Use a grater
Have
to
a
sprinkle
grater.
some fresh cinnamon on top of each dough ball.
come on, you know it makes sense. Let's do this. This sounds amazing. They're like dough balls, fried dough balls with cinnamon. Okay, a little bit more. Brilliant. I do like cinnamon. Cinnamon's like one of my favorite things.
In another bowl, add
another
1
bowl?
part wine, 3 parts water, a splash of honey, and a cinnamon stick.
Look, 1 part wine, 3 parts water, and a cinnamon stick. Okay. Oh, a splash of honey. Okay, so the wine. No. Is this the. No. That's honey, isn't it? Oh, damn. What is that? Oh, no. Did I just bubble these things in
Move
wine?
the pan aside
Ah.
and bring the bowl of inert bowl. Combine half water and half honey.
I've just realised I didn't use honey. I was using bloody wine. Tip it out. Right, let's go.
Honey, the
So-
food of the gods. Ambrosia.
Oh, be hell. What a knobhead. So that's why they weren't doing the thing. Oh, pouring wine over myself. No, it's not wine. Piss off wine. No one likes you. I like wine. Look. Oh, my head just screwed up the fire now because I poured stuff on it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's try it again. Damn, such a
The
dumbass.
grill
Right.
is ready.
So we need to go back over here. Yeah? Okay, that's great. Let's put the honey there, and this is the water. Oh, I'm such an idiot. Okay, great. Let's put that water down, eh? Oh, no, mate, come on. No! Oh. Right. Okay, where's my spoon? Alright, put the ciliole. Ah. Alright, it's all going wrong, guys.
Opa, I can't wait.
Shiny! There you're like that, we done it. Oh, get off. Okay. Oh. Come on! But now they're going shiny, see? That's such good. I'm gonna get such bad score for this, but whatever. Oh, they look amazing, like little chestnuts.
And now you can't even play conkers in England.
Shiny little fucking chestnuts. That's amazing, look. I'm gonna call these... I call these amaze balls.
How
It's amazeballs.
Because that's what they are. They're amazeballs. Look. Yeah. Damn, this is so good. I love how, even though I got the order wrong, the cinnamon's actually now falling into the honey. That's super cool. I like that. Like it's making it brown. Yeah, brown. Alright. Cool. So now you can calm down. We're gonna yes.
Perfect. Just one scrape of cinnamon per dough ball is enough.
Oh, what? Shit. Okay. I think that's alright. So now,
Move the pan aside and
Move
bring
pan
them
aside,
in
yeah.
the spoon to
Yeah.
each in another bowl.
Great.
Add
In another
1 part
bowl?
wine, 3 parts water,
now
a
I need-
splash of
what is
honey,
that?
and a cinnamon stick.
splash. That. So is it 3 parts? That's the wine I need. This. Oh shit! I'm out of wine. No! I used up all the wine. Oh, what a dickhead. I suppose. Yeah, of course I did. Nice. Oh.
Wine that automatically respawns
If
is
you're
the
using
best
the wine
idea.
from the end of harvest, you always want to spice it pretty heavily. It makes it harder to tell how old and musty it is. Cinnamon's my favorite spice. Hey, you know, cinnamon bark used to be more valuable than
Right.
gold.
That's cool. Really? That's nuts. I suppose maybe gold isn't worth that much. Ha! That's funny. Why is gold worth so much there then?
Heat the honeyed
So
wine
heat the honeyed
until
wine.
it's boiling.
Yeah, let's move you aside. Oh, actually, do you know what? Oh, wow. That sounds delicious. So now I need to move this over here. I think I need a bit more wine in that, you know. Did it say 3 parts wine? Oh, mate. I don't even know anymore. So throw everything in there. I'm sure it's like 3 parts water. I don't know. Oh, it's the right colour.
Serve the heated wine
Serve
in a
the
kilix.
heated wine in a Keelix. I don't. Oh no! I lost the
A
spoon. Oh, there
kilix
you
is
are.
by
Ooh.
far the best way to drink wine.
Really?
It's shallow, so it makes
Is
you
it?
want to slow down, sit back, relax, debate some philosophy. All that good stuff.
Ah. Oh shit! No, concentrate. There we are. Right. Sip.
Place the meal on the
Okay,
serving table
so-
and ring the bell.
Okay. One. A Keelix. Okay. Very good. Let's jump over here, guys. Oh no! I think it's dunked it in the
Are
wine.
they ready?
Right, ding-a-ling.
Let's give them a try then, shall we?
Come on
Yamas.
then, let's do it. Yes. Do it. Yamas. Yamas. Okay. Come on.
Delicious. Perfect for some
Yes.
perazada.
Oh,
That means people watching. It was one of my favorite pastimes.
Perfect. Okay. Ah, yeah. 4 stars. Not
Remarkable.
bad. I'm
You
nailing
are really
this.
taken to
Look
this
at
ghost
these.
chef job.
Look at these. Yes. Good thing I ate them before they're soggy. There's no need to cook the cinnamon that goes on the locumaddies. Well, you know, some people like